my little adventurers. It's your favorite talking train, and I've got all sorts of funny and fascinating things to share with you today. So, are you ready to ride the imagination tracks? Let's get rolling. Let me tell you something amazing about trains. Did you know that we've been around for over 200 years? Yep, I've got a lot of great-great-grandparents out there. Back in the old days, steam trains like me used to puff out big clouds of smoke, like a dragon that's had too much soup. Now, we're all about being cleaner and faster, but I still think those old steam trains look so cool. Here's a fun fact. We trains have a special talent, whistling. My whistle is loud enough to say hello to everyone from miles away. It's like shouting, "Hey, I'm coming, get ready." Now, let's talk about my tracks, my trusty path to adventure. Did you know my tracks are made of shiny steel and stretched out in a straight line for miles and miles? It's like having a magic carpet, but made of metal. Speaking of tracks, let me tell you about something super funny. One time, a squirrel thought my tracks were a perfect place to store acorns. I had to stop and wait for him to gather his snacks. I didn't want to squish his precious treasure. And let's not forget my wheels. Have you noticed how big they are? I've got so many wheels because I carry a lot of heavy stuff, like boxes of toys, books, and even yummy food. Once, I carried an entire carnival. Ferris wheels, roller coasters, cotton candy machines, you name it. Imagine how fun it must have been to unload all that. I bet the elephants in the circus loved riding along, too. Now, let's talk about speed. There are some trains in the world called bullet trains, and boy, are they fast. They can zip along at over 300 miles per hour, faster than a race car. Me, I'm not quite that speedy, but that's okay. I enjoy taking my time so I can wave at everyone I pass by. Have you ever waved at a train before? If you have, maybe it was me. I love seeing kids smile and wave. It makes my day so much brighter. Here's something cool. Sometimes trains travel through places so beautiful, it feels like being in a painting. There are mountains with snowy peaks, fields filled with colorful flowers, and even bridges that stretch over sparkling rivers. One time, I saw a rainbow that looked so close, I thought I could drive right through it. That would have been fun. Imagine coming out the other side covered in rainbow colors. All right then, keep imagining all the wonderful adventures. Bye-bye.